What's up guys, welcome to another video. I go by the name Ali, or they call me Ali. If it is your first time watching my videos, then you have been missing a lot. But anyway, you're not too late. You can always subscribe to my YouTube channel and click that notification button, so that when I post something, you are among the first people to watch my videos. So it has been around 45 days without me uploading anything, because it has been the holy month of Ramadan, and today is one of those days that I really love, and that is the final day. Final day, I mean, today is something called Eid al-Fitr, you know, the celebration of the 30 days that we have been fasting. So I haven't been posting much here on YouTube, but on TikTok, of course, I've been pushing on that area for a while over these 30 days that we have been fasting. So today is Eid, and it is actually raining, so I'm heading to the mosque, and the weather isn't that good. You see, I'm here with my boots, and I mean, that's how it is. So let's go to the mosque and let's see how it goes. But in the meantime, I want to say a big thank you to everyone who has been supporting me without me being online, you know, without me posting anything. You guys have been there supporting me, and I've seen a couple of questions, so inshallah, if God wills, I'll be answering some of the questions, and let's see how it goes, guys. So otherwise, how have you been, guys? It has been 30 days of fasting for us. It has been a great moments. We have been pushing a lot, and on a personal level, yes, I have been pushing a lot when it comes to issues of Ramadan in general, you know. And a very big thank you to my YouTube community, to my TikTok community as well, because over the TikTok they have been pushing, feeding a couple of people. There is an organization that I've been trying as much as possible to do my best, of course, courtesy of them, feeding around 150 families each and every day for around 30 days. So to the massive people who have been supporting that initiative, I want to say a big thank you to each and everyone who has made it possible, and we don't take it for granted. May Allah add to your mizan and in Yawmul Qiyamah. So that being said, we have been also doing something called street iftar along Bunyala Road. Yes, that is in Kenya, Nairobi. So actually, I forgot to tell you guys that I come from Kenya, East Africa in general. So yeah, I'm back. You can hear takbir over a distance, and let's go and pray and celebrate this amazing day. I'll be showing you some snippets of how the day will go, and so I am back, guys. They call me Ali Sadiq. Continue watching the vlog, guys. Allahu Akbar wa lillahi alhamd. That is called takbira. Takbira is something that we say on this amazing day of Eid. So let's go and pray, guys. This is a local mosque that I usually come to pray, so I decided to at least do it over here. Because of this heavy rains, it couldn't be possible for me to pray my Eid prayer at another place. So anyway, let's go, guys. Stop. Stop, man.
صدق وعده ونصر عبده وأعز جنده وهزم الأحزاب وحده. لا إله إلا الله ولا نعبد إلا إياه مخلصين له الدين ولو كره المشركون.
आइए सलाम
हो जा फाटा
शुक्रान
اللهم انصر اخواننا المستضعفين